Did you know you can add wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto right onto your factory Lexus LS screen? This is the 2013 to 2015 Lexus LS. We've just installed the Hamilton upgrade kit, doing away with this old operating system and making it look brand new. We've got a full installation video. Stay tuned to the end of this video and I'll show you how to set it up. Here is wireless Android Auto. You can see any app with an Android Auto component will automatically show up here in Android Auto. Whether you use Amazon, YouTube, Spotify, SoundCloud, or any other music app, you'll have easy access to all of your songs and beautiful cover art. Navigation also is so much better with Android Auto. This is Google Maps. You'll see here that you can navigate easily to saved or nearby destinations, and the Google Voice Assistant will read your directions. Any app with an Android Auto component will automatically show up here in Android Auto. Of course, at any time, you can long hold the menu button for 3 seconds, and you can go back to the factory Lexus underlying screen, where you'll have easy access to all of your original features, including AM, FM, XM radio, and offline navigation if equipped from the factory. If you have any questions, give us a call at 919-858-2890. I'm going to show you now how to set it up. To pair and set up Android Auto, when you first get in the car, you'll boot to this Lexus OS. Long hold the menu button for 3 seconds in front of the mouse, and you'll come to the Hamilton operating system. Now, pull out your Android device, open Settings, Connection Settings, Bluetooth, and you may need to touch Pair a New Device. You'll see in Available Devices a name starting with Hamilton. Touch it. A pairing code will pop up. You can disregard what it says and click Pair. The first time you set up Android Auto, you'll notice that the device takes a little bit longer, and you may need to approve a prompt for Android Auto or ensure that it's enabled from the Google Play Store. If your phone has used Android Auto before, it'll automatically load and open up on the Hamilton upgrade kit. After pairing Android Auto, we're not done quite yet. Long hold your menu button for 3 seconds. A quick press of the menu button will take you to the factory main menu, and make sure that your original system is set to aux mode. Your phone will stream audio through to the Hamilton upgrade kit, and the Hamilton upgrade kit has grabbed your aux line behind the factory radio, and that's how we'll play audio. This will preserve Mark Levinson audio. I would also encourage you to forget your factory Bluetooth from your phone and come here on your car to set up Bluetooth registered devices, and forget your original devices from your car's Bluetooth as well. You want to make sure that your car is only using the Hamilton Bluetooth to stream audio from your phone to the Hamilton upgrade kit and playing audio via the factory aux line. Clear out all your Bluetooth devices and you're ready to use Android Auto. This system is designed with top-of-the-line components, including a high-end processor, genuine chips throughout, and all of our CAN bus engineering is completed in Raleigh, North Carolina. We've designed this in the same manner as your Lexus. It's intended to go the distance. It's backed by a 3-year warranty we call the Hamilton Guarantee. If you have any questions, call our North Carolina-based concierge tech support team at 919-858-2890. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company, and I'll see you in the next video.